Certificates help secure your computer by verifying identities and encrypting communications, but what if you need to remove one? Whether it is expired, invalid, or causing security issues, deleting the certificate from your system is a crucial skill. In this DelftStack tutorial, I will show you how to remove a certificate using PowerShell step by step. Here's what we will cover. First, we will locate the certificate, then we will delete it using PowerShell. Finally, we will verify that it is gone. Before we start, open PowerShell as an administrator, right-click the Start menu, select Windows Terminal Admin, and click Yes when prompted. First, we need to find the certificate. Run this command to list all certificates in the local machine store, Get-ChildItem -path space, cert : local space machine /. This command displays certificates along with their thumbprint, which is a unique identifier. Now locate the certificate you want to delete, check its subject name, and copy the corresponding thumbprint. We will need this to remove it. To delete the certificate, run this command: remove item -path space cert : local space machine /my thumbprint. Replace thumbprint with the actual value you copied earlier. You might see a confirmation prompt. Type Y and press Enter to proceed. To confirm the certificate is removed, rerun the Get-ChildItem command. If the certificate no longer appears, the deletion was successful. If you see an access denied error, make sure you are running PowerShell as an administrator. Also, check if any applications are using the certificate. Closing them might help. Need to remove a certificate from a different store? Use the appropriate path such as cert : /current space user /my for user-specific certificates, or cert : local space machine /root for trusted root certificates. To recap, first locate the certificate, then remove it using remove item. Finally, verify its removal and troubleshoot any issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like and subscribe for more PowerShell tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. See you in the next video.